In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your phone location. So before starting the video, one thing you must know that in order to track the location on your phone anywhere, anytime, you must turn on the location in your phone. For this, you want to swipe down your phone and then you will probably see there a location or navigation icon. So you're going to tap on that once and that's all what you need to do from your phone. The second thing is that you must know the email and password of the Google account from which you are signed in into your phone. Once you have done that, you can easily track the location of your phone from your computer. For this, you're going to open any browser in your system and then you're going to type into the search box for Google Find My Device. Then you're just going to go with the top link from google.com. And if you encounter an error like this one which says can't reach device, you're just going to click on this reload option once. Then you will be able to see here the exact location of your phone. And if you see at the left side of your screen, you will be able to see here some options. First of all, you have the option to play your sound. For example, your phone is lost in your home or something, so you can just go with this option to play the sound. The second option you have is secure device, that if you have lost your phone, you can just click on this option and then you can set a recovery message. Without this recovery message, your phone cannot be unlocked.